Welcome to our video on the benefits of regular social play for boxer dogs. If you're curious about how playtime can enhance your boxer's life, you're in the right place. First up, let's talk about physical health. Regular social play helps keep your boxer active, promoting a healthy weight and strong muscles. Next, mental stimulation is crucial for boxers. Engaging in play with other dogs challenges their minds and helps prevent boredom. Finally, social skills are essential for a well-rounded boxer. Regular playtime teaches them how to interact with other dogs and people, fostering good behavior. Thanks for watching. Remember, regular social play is key to a happy and healthy boxer. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights about your furry friends.